Hi guys, welcome to this short tutorial session where I'll be teaching you how to turn your WhatsApp into a money printing app. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this is because I see a lot of people, you have WhatsApp and you are really struggling, you don't have cash, and I just want to show you this simple method that you can use. Anyone can do this actually. And the good thing about this method is that you don't need any capital. You don't need you don't need any capital at all. You don't need any money to start. You don't need to register with anybody. You don't need to bring one person to bring one person. No. This is how you can literally turn your WhatsApp into a money printing app. All right. And another thing again is that a lot of you already know what WhatsApp is. A lot of you already have WhatsApp, but I see that so many people are using their WhatsApp to post memes, post funny things. While all that is good, if you are struggling and you're still asking for urgent 2K, this is a simple method that can make you between 100K to a 1 million naira every single month. Okay, at least between 100K to a 1 million naira every single month if you implement what I am going to show you in this video tutorial. So what exactly do you need to start this business, right? You need just two things. You need or you need three things. Yeah, you need three things. Number one, you need a mobile phone. Number two, a mobile phone or a laptop, anyone. So, but I would recommend you need a mobile phone. At least WhatsApp works better on mobile phones, even though you can have your WhatsApp on system. You need a mobile phone. You need the WhatsApp software, and then you need grit. You need that is resilience, right? Those three things is what you need because some people venture into certain businesses, and before you know what is happening, they give up on the business. Maybe some of you you just want something you can just do now and become a millionaire overnight. They are lying to you. It doesn't work that way. Everything is a process, but if you understand what you are doing, then the process becomes easier. That's what I'm saying. So let's get right into the video. I said you need three things. You need a mobile phone, you need the WhatsApp software, and you need grit. You don't need any money. You need 0 naira to start, $0 to start. No money is needed in this business at all, and that is the best thing about it. So now, while others are using their WhatsApp to post stuff, you can turn your WhatsApp into a money printing app by simply leveraging on what we call affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing. Let me show you what I am talking about. So if I go onto here, I will show you a simple system that is already in place that you can use to start promoting products on your WhatsApp and getting commission for it. I'm going to run you how you can do everything. All you need to do is post a product on your WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp contacts will definitely need such products and then contact you, collect their address. You don't need money from them. They don't need to pay you for this. You collect their address and that product will be delivered to them and they pay. And this program, this affiliate marketing program, means you are helping other people to sell their product, even though no one is really at risk, right? You are just helping people who want to purchase a particular product to place order, and you get a commission. And your WhatsApp is the conduit in which you are, is the channel, right? Your WhatsApp is the channel in which you are getting these customers. So there is something called J-Force, right? J-Force. And J-Force is part of Jumia's program. So A lot of you don't may not know what Jumia is, or you may know, but Jumia is an online marketplace where people can order for stuff. Now, J-Force is the affiliate marketing part of Jumia. So if you go to jforce.jumia.com.ng, this website, right, you will be able to register as a J-Force agent. Okay, and when you register as a J-Force agent, I will show you the process. Then you can now start promoting product. All you need to do is grab the picture of the product and the price and post the same on your WhatsApp status. You don't need to do anything. That is just it. And at the end of the day, once people contact you, you just place the order for them from your J-Force, not from your J-Force, right? So once you place the order from your J-Force, you are good to go. So let me show you how it's done. So I'm going to do start now. You go to jforce.jumia.com and you will see this. Just click on start now, right? And it's going to open, and you see welcome to Jumia. Type your email or phone number to log in or create a Jumia account. So you need to put your email or your phone number here. So me, I'm going to put my email now. So I put my email and I click on continue, and of course it's going to load, and I'll say verify, and they've sent me the verification code. So I'll check my email for the verification code. Note that you can also use your phone number for this thing that I'm showing you here today. So I've seen the verification code, so I'll put the verification code there. And if you already have a Jumia account, it makes it even easier, right? And yeah, so skip for now. I'll not create a passkey, I'll just skip for now. So once this thing is done, my email is there. I just have to input a password. Just have to input a password. Continue, and then asking me for my first name. So I will input my first name. I will input my last name. Then I will type my phone number. So again, let me type my other phone number. Let me type my other phone number. All right, guys. So after signing up, this is what you have. This you have something like this, right? And here you can see your home. You can see sales, commission, bonuses, orders, success rate, even your team members, team leaders, your personal info and everything like that. So by the time you are ready to do this business, all you want to do is you click on this shop on Jumia. So you just click on shop on Jumia, and it will take you to the Jumia website, right? And then you can place your order for any product you want. So what you want to do, for example, is, let's say you want to advertise this wristwatch that is 12,000 five five 12,555 naira. So you want to click on this wristwatch, for instance, right? And once you click on this wristwatch, you already know the price. So, and you know how much commission. I'll run you through the commission you get for selling this wristwatch. So what you just want to do is you want to download this wristwatch, the pictures, right? Then post this picture on your WhatsApp story, your WhatsApp status, yeah. Then let me close this one. Post this picture, look at it again. This is still the same picture. This is it. This is it. In fact, you can just download pictures, right? That's this kind of pictures online, and then post it. Write the name King Note smartwatch and put the price on your WhatsApp. You understand? You can do the same for different wristwatches. For instance, you can go to different categories, go to the shoe section and all the kind of stuff. So once you are doing this and posting, there is the there you will start getting people ordering for this product, right? So again, you don't need to tell people that, oh, you are an affiliate or whatever. Just tell people, oh, I sell these things. I sell wristwatches, for instance, or I sell hair, or I sell whatever. Then you just need to be posting that on your status. And as you are posting, you are getting orders. As you get orders, you just place the order, right? So again, if I want to place this order, I'll just say add to cart, and I'll go to my cart, and I'll go to my cart. This is the price of the wristwatch. How many? In fact, at times on J-Force you can have a discount, right? You can use a discount, and you say checkout. Now on checkout, I will put the address of the person that is ordering it, not my address. Okay, so I'll put the address of the person ordering the wristwatch. So if I say checkout, instead of my address, I'll change it and put the address of the person ordering it. And if you look at the payment method, you are going to see payment on delivery, right? So let me change the payment method so you see. So I can select payment on delivery. Oh, okay. Although not all products have that option, but there are products. Again, you can reach out to your customer and say, look, I can't do payment on delivery for this particular product and so on, right? But there are products that you can do payment on delivery and just do it, and voila, you are good to go. The person receives the product, makes payment, and you get your commission through your WhatsApp. So what exactly is your WhatsApp doing, right? If your WhatsApp is busy doing nothing, not making you any money, then this is a good side hustle that I think you can do. Now let me run you through the commission. So this is the commission package. If you are selling products, right? If you are let's say you are a person selling to, you are helping people to purchase products. So this is it. There are different stages. When you register, if you are selling a product that has low commission, you get 1.3%. If you are selling a product that has medium commission, you will get 2%. If you are selling a product that has high commission, you get 4%. So how do you know that a product has high commission, low commission, or medium commission? Look at the commission category here. Low commission, you are dealing with phone, grocery, appliances, camera, computing, games and console, TV, tablet. These are low commission. That means you are getting 1.3% of whatever they buy. Then if you are doing medium, right, that means automotive, books, events, babies, toys, kids, cooking, mobile and tablet accessories, then that's medium. You are getting 2%. Why high percent? If you are dealing with fashion, health and beauty, sport, fitness, small appliances, um hi-fi and stereo, DVD, that's high commission, which is 4%. So someone like me, I can target fashion, health and beauty and fitness equipment, right? So all you need to do is go to Jumia go to your J-Force, enter Jumia, and go for this fashion, health and beauty, and fitness or sport equipment. These things are high commission and you get paid like that, right? So let's look at what they mean by this probation, bronze, silver, gold, and captain. If you look at this J-Force, whatever, you will see that you have different levels. You can join for free, which I've shown you. Then when you join, you are on probation, right? You are on probation. Immediately you sell up to 80K per month, you will be moved to bronze, right? And in that month, if you sell up to 250K, you will be moved to silver. And then if you sell up to 500K, you will be moved to gold. And then if you sell up to 1M and above, you'll be moved to captain. And once you get to this captain, you'll be earning a salary, right? You'll be earning a salary per every month, and you will also be earning money from those that you recruit. So you recruit and groom your team, then you can start earning 0.5% of whatever they sell. Okay, so this is a very simple side hustle that anyone can do. You can use your WhatsApp most especially, because the truth is that your contacts, everyone you know, they are buying something, they are buying every day. Now, what will it cost you to just do the buying for them? So you are not even leaving your house, you are in the comfort of your home, but uh, you are still able to insert yourself in between the seller and the customer, right? And then you are making a commission from that particular sale or that transaction that is happening. So that's how you can easily turn your WhatsApp into a money printing app. All right, I hope you've watched this and I hope you will act on it. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comments and I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching this one. Please subscribe, share this video so that others can benefit from it, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.